In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. First of all, you need to open Play Store to download free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Not sponsored, by the way. Once you do, hit OK in Welcome pop-up and go into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then click on this pen at the top right corner. Select Add a control at the bottom and click on Caffeine Shortcut. Now you can place it wherever you wish. And when you finished, tap on Done at the top right corner. Now click on Caffeine Shortcut. Use this switcher next to Allow Permission and go back to Tap menu. When you click on it this time, you can see that sleep time was successfully set up to never. If you want to switch it off, click on the same one. If you ever change your mind, you can always go back to Caffeine app. Tap on Timeout and instead of Infinite, pick one of those options, like 1 hour. Then tap on the same shortcut to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!